Good day, everyone. I'm Cadet Dumdum. Today, I will show you how to solve the great circle sailing. Let's go. Before we start, I will going to read the given given of the great circle. Find the great circle distance, initial and final courses from 10 degrees 25 minutes south, 90 degrees 12 minutes east to 39 degrees 27 minutes north and 55 degrees 10 minutes east. Find also the position of the vertex and longitude in which the great circle track crosses the equator and the course. Then first we will going to write the latitude A. Latitude A. The latitude A is 10 degrees 25 minutes south and 0 and 90 degrees and 12 minutes east, and the latitude B is 39 degrees 27 minutes north and 55 degrees and 10 minutes east. First we're going to identify first we're going to make the GC track. So here is the latitude A and level that is 10 degrees 25 minutes south and 90 degrees 12 minutes east, and the latitude B is here, is the position is east north here. Label latitude B 39 degrees 27 minutes north and 55 degrees 10 minutes east. So going to touch that line. So on the North Pole here, label that. I think we put the equator here. Equator. So I will label the equator. So to find the D long, we will going to minus because same sign. So we're going to minus the D long. The D long of latitude first is 90 degrees and 12 minutes east. Next is the one is 55 degrees 10 minutes east. So we write this D long. So we're going to use our calculator. 90 degrees 12 minutes minus 55 degrees 10 minutes is equals 35 degrees 12 minutes. 35 degrees 2 minutes. So this is our D long. Next is we will going to find the great circle distance. First we're going to put our solution, our formula. cosine AB equals cosine P, which is the d long, times cosine latitude times cosine latitude B plus minus equals sine latitude A, so times sine latitude B. So we will going to write all the given, substitute all the given. Cosine AB equals cosine P. Cosine P is the d long. It's the d long. Which is 35 degrees to 2 minutes. 2 minutes times cosine latitude A, which is 10 degrees 25 minutes, times cosine latitude P, which is 39 degrees 27 minutes. So we will going to use minus. Why? Because our latitude A and latitude B is different level. The latitude A is south and the latitude B is north. So we will go, so the two latitude is so different, so we will going to use the minus. So sine latitude A, so substitute sine 10 degrees 25 minutes times sine latitude B, so 39 degrees 27 minutes. Next, we will going to calculate this. Next is we will going to solve this. Cosine 35 degrees 2 minutes times cosine 10 degrees 25 minutes times cosine 39 degrees 27 minutes, so this says minus open sine 10 degrees 25 minutes times sine 39 degrees 27 minutes equals 0.50. To inverse this answer, we're going to use shift yung cosine, yung inverse the answer, yung cos equals 59.53 and press this degrees, but is 39 degrees 32 minutes and 16.16 seconds. So we're going to write this here is 59 degrees and 32 minutes 2 minutes 16.16 seconds, and we're going to find the distance. We're going to multiply this by 60. So distance equals 59 degrees 32 minutes 16.16 seconds times 60 equals 300 3 miles. So this is our distance. Next, we're going to solve the initial course. Initial course, no? Same given, and that A equals tangent latitude A, yung tan P, which is the D long. So I'm going to solve that. Tan 10 degrees 25 minutes divided by tan 35 degrees and 2 minutes equals 0.26221887. So going to write there 26.221887, and the B equals latitude B equals tan latitude B divide sine P equals tan 39 degrees 27 minutes divide sine D long, which is 35 degrees 2 minutes equals 1.433442403. Going to write here 1.433442403 north. And next is so to specify the tan lat A equals tan 10 degrees 25 minutes yung tan 35 degrees and 2 minutes. So is here, and the B equals tan 39 degrees to 7 minutes and sine D long 35 degrees and 2 minutes. So is here. So find the C equals A plus minus B. So we will going to use plus. Why? Because the sign of the two is A and B is the same north. So 0.26221887 plus 1.433442403 equals, so on the calculator, 0.2622221887 plus 1.433442403 equals 0.2622221887 ay 1.695 1.695666124. So that is our C. Next is tan AZ equals 1C, so cosine latitude C, latitude A. So cosine latitude A. So here 1 equivalent of C is 1.69566124. Cosine 10 cosine latitude A, which is 10 degrees and 25 minutes. So we're going to calculate 1 divide 1.6956566124 parenthesis cosine 10 degrees 25 minutes 0.59. So we will going to reverse this. Shift tan answer equals 30, and press this button. The answer is 30 degrees 50 minutes 52.32 seconds. So easy equals 30 degrees 56 minutes and minutes and 50 to 87. So box this one. So to find the true course, we're going to minus this into 360. 360 minus 30 degrees 6.87 minutes. Why 360? 360 is in quadrant 4. So the latitude B is in quadrant 4. So the 360, there is a quadrant, and the 360 is the quadrant 4. So 360 minus 30 degrees 56.87 minutes equals 39 equals 329 degrees 3 minutes 3.13 minutes true. So the answer is the initial course. So next we're going to move into the final course. So the final course. So we're going to put this in another side so that we can calculate freely. So final course. So A equals tan latitude A over tan D long. So A equals tan so this is the twist na po, twist. So So 39 D lang at A equals 39 degrees 27 minutes north. Yung latitude B equals 10 degrees and 25 south, and D long equals 35 degrees and 2 minutes. So the latitude A is 39.7 north. Ay, no. Sorry. Going to erase that. Sorry. North. And 10 D long equals to 35 degrees and 2 seconds. 2 minutes. Sorry. That equals tan 39 degrees 27 minutes divide tan 35 degrees and 2 minutes equals 1.17 3728.746. So next is the B. Tan latitude B divided by those sine D long equals B tan dig 25 minutes and sine 35 degrees and 2 minutes equals B. Answer is south, this and south. So tan 10 degrees and 25 minutes divide sine 35 degrees and 2 minutes equals 0.32 0.320202400602 south. Box this answer. And next is the C. The C is we will going to use the A plus minus B. In this we will going to use the plus. Why? Because the 2 is same sign, which is south. So write this 1.1713728.746 plus 0.3202400602 equals what? Answer plus 1.173728.7465 equals 1.49. 1.493969.348 south. So we're going to box that. So the next is we're going to find the tan AZ equals 1 divided by C cosine latitude A equals 1. Value of C is 1.493969.348. Cosine latitude E is 39 degrees 27 minutes. So the calculator, 1 divided by 1.493969.348 cosine 39 degrees and 27 minutes equals 0.86684247. So we are going to inverse this to find the final course. So shift tan answer equals 0.92. So we're going to press this button to the answer is 40 degrees and 55 minutes point 20. So the final, so 20 easy equals 40 degrees 55.20 southeast. So to find the final course, we will going to subtract this into 180. Why 180? Because our direction is southeast, so the southeast is 180. So this is minus. We're going to minus. I subtract this into 180. 180 minus 40 degrees 55.20 minutes equals 180 minus 40 degrees 55.20 minutes equals press 139 degrees 139 degrees 139 degrees 54 degrees and 4.8 minutes. So the final answer is 39 degrees and 4.8 minutes. True. So we're going to combine this. Therefore initial course equals initial course is n, like north, because our direction is northwest for our initial course, 30 degrees and 56.87 minutes west, or 329 degrees 3.13 true. And final course equals this south 40 degrees 55 55.20 minutes east, or 139 degrees 4.8 minutes true. So the next, we're going to find the vertex. So we will going to solve the vertex. So using Napier's rule. In Napier's rule, using Napier's rule. So we will going to draw here a circle, which is the vertex. So put a x and x So P V A V yung 90 minus A, yung 90 minus PA is 90 minus P. So our given value is A. The A is the value of the initial course, which is 30 degrees 56.87 minutes, and the PA is going to solve to find the PA. We will going to minus subtract this into latitude A, which is 10 degrees 25 minutes. So we're going to write there 10 degrees. Sorry guys. Alright guys, going to find the PA. 90 degrees minus so 90 minus 10 degrees and 25 minutes equals, so the calculus, 90 degrees minus 10 degrees 25 minutes equals 79 degrees and 35 minutes. 79 degrees and 35 minutes. So A, so the latitude A equals 10 degrees and 25 minutes. So we will going to solve the latitude of V, longitude of V. So sin P equals PV equals cosine 90 minus A times cosine 90 minus PA times sin 90 minus PA So going first to cos tangent 90 minus A times tan 90 minus P. So in coslat V equals coslat, so sin A times cosine lat A. So simplify sin A, which is our sin A is 30 degrees and 56.87 minutes times cosine lat A, which is 10 degrees and 25 minutes. Cosine 10 degrees and 25 minutes equals sine 30 degrees 56.87 minutes times cosine 10 degrees and 25 minutes equals 0.8 degrees, and shift cos answer equals, press 59 degrees and 37. So our latitude vertex equals 59 degrees and 37 minutes. The next is the tangent. Tangent P equals cotangent A times sec PA equals, or cotangent is the reverse of tangent. So our A is 30 degrees and 56.87 minutes times sec 79.035 also shift cos shift tan equals 30 degrees 56.7 minutes times cos cos 79 degrees and 35 minutes equals 83 degrees equals 83 degrees and 48.74. Answer, we're going to box that box. Now we are going to calculate the d long from A to V. Our d long from A to V is right here. D long A from V is equals to only this is 0.83 degrees 48.74 minutes west. Yung or longitude A is 90 degrees and 12 minutes. It is 0.90 degrees and 12.00 east. So we will going to subtract this because their sign is different. So 0.83 degrees 48.74 minutes minus 0.90 degrees 12.00 minutes equals 0.06 23.26 23.26 26 and the minutes and the symbol is west because they going to west. So to find the GC track crosses the equator. GC track, when GC track crosses the equator, as we know, longitude in which GC crosses 90 degrees d long from the longitude of vertex. So longitude vertex is equivalent of 0.05 degrees 59.30 minute west, and the d long from V to N is 0.90 degrees and 0 minute east. So we're going to subtract this because of the different sign. So 0.05 degrees 59.30 30 minutes minus 0.90 degrees 0.00 minutes equals 84 0 84 0 84.00.70 minute is. So this is the GC track process equator. So course after crossing the equator equals latitude of the vertex. So as we all know, if we're going to find the latitude, we're going to find the lat of the vertex. So here is the vertex, the V. The V is 59 degrees and 37 minutes and 006 degrees and 23.26 minutes north. So as we go back, so these are the V. The latitude of V is 59 degrees and 37 minutes, and the longitude is 006 degrees and 23.26 minutes north. And course after crossing the equator is colat of vertex. So cosine 59 degrees, so equals 30 degrees and 23 minutes west. So the northwest. That's all.